morning and welcome back. Our topic today is preposition. Preposition. Today I'll be talking on preposition. So before I start, we are going to sing a song on preposition. So before I sing the song, I want to give some of the prepositions in English. The first is in. I-N. In. Okay? I-N is in. 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 Number two is on. O-N. O-N. On. Number one, in. On. Under. Under. Behind. 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 Now you can say behind or behind. It's same. Okay? Behind, behind. Same. Behind. Between. 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 In front of. In front of. In front of. In front of. Okay. Number one. In. I-N. I-N. In. Number two. On. On. This is the O, the O sound. Okay? On. Why this is the in? E sound. So, in. On. Number three is under. Under. Okay? Under. Number four, behind. 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 Number five, between. Okay? Not between. No. Between. Okay? And number six, in front of. In front of. In front of. In front of. In. On. Under. Behind. Between. In front of. In front of. Okay. Now example. Example. Where is the ball? This is a ball, okay? This is a ball. And this is a box. This is a box. I have a box and a ball. Now, where is the ball? Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Now I'm going to use my hands. You have in front, behind, okay? In front, behind, between. In front, behind, between. On. Okay? Now I can sing the song like in front of, behind, between. 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 Okay? I'm gonna sing one more time. in front of, behind, between, 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 between, okay, between, between, in, on, under, behind, between, in front of, in front of. Now, I'm gonna demonstrate, okay? I have ball and here is my box. Now, where is the ball? Where is the ball? Number one, the ball is in the box. Okay? Number one, the ball is in the box. 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 Now this is the ball and the box. The ball is in the box. Okay? Do you understand? The ball is in the box. This is the ball in the box. Okay, number two. On. On. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. Here is the ball. It is on the box. Okay? The ball is on the box. Number three. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. Here is the ball. It is under. Can you see? It is under the box. Okay? Here is the ball. It is under the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is behind the box. Now, it is behind. Okay, you cannot see it. So the ball is behind the box. Now, where is the ball? The ball is between. Can I have? Okay. It is between. 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 Why can I have another box? Between. Okay. The ball is between. Okay, thank you. Now you can say the ball is between the bottles. Okay. We have two bottles and this is the ball. It is between the bottles. Okay, 1, 2, and the ball is between. So you say the ball is between the bottles. And in front of. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Okay, here is the ball. Here is the box and the ball. The ball is in front of the box. So we have here. Where is the box? One more time. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. It is inside. Okay? In the box. Number 2. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. This is the box and the ball is on. Okay? It is on the box. Number 3. The ball is under the box. It is under the box. Okay? The ball is under the box. The ball is behind the box. Behind. Behind. The ball is behind the box. Here is the ball. It is behind the box. The ball is between, okay, between the bottles. Here we have 2 bottles of water, and the ball is between, okay? It is between the bottles. That's in the middle, between. In front of, the ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. One more time. Number 1, in. In. The ball is in the box. Here. Here is the box, and here is the ball. So the ball is in the box. Okay? The ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. Number 2, the ball is on the box. Here is the box, and the ball is on. Okay? It is on the box. It is on the box. The ball is under. Number 3. The ball is under the box. Here is the box, and the ball is under. Okay? The ball is under the box. Behind. The ball is behind the box. The ball is behind the box. Here is the box and the ball. So the ball is behind. The ball is behind the box. Between. The ball is between the box. The ball is between the box. Okay. Now the ball is between, okay? This is a box and this is a teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. So the box is between, okay? The ball is between the box and the teddy bear. Good. And the last one is in front of. The ball is in front of the box. Okay, so this is the box and this is the ball. The ball is in front, okay, in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Now let me take it one more time. In, on, under, behind, between, in front of, the ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is between the boxes. Between you have, because it's 2 boxes, okay? So you say the ball is between the boxes. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Now they can ask you, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, for example, where do you live? You say, I live in front of big C. So here is example, okay? So today we are just going to do this. You need to understand prepositions. There are so many. You have over, near, so many. But today we just study in, on, under, behind, between, in front of. And if you have any questions, you can contact me or message us for the questions. See you again next week.